This video shows an animation of the TAC, the Tabletop Automation Center, assembling individual orders for a hypothetical cosmetic application. For this application, a single TAC is set up with a bi-level rotary magazine on one side and a single-level magazine on the other. Mounted on the carriage, a bracket supports a vacuum device with a pair of suction cups, a rotary head device supporting a vacuum-assisted electric gripper, and a bracket supporting a wider electric gripper, again vacuum-assisted. On the work table is placed a removable tray holding 10 boxes, each containing a foam locating core. On the lower left magazine are fastened plates for staging 20 box lids. On the upper discs are placed removable trays to hold various cosmetic products. Also are placed racks for holding printed cardstock literature. Note, the upper cable carriers are now temporarily hidden to simplify the animation. A pair of barcode readers is added to the setup, along with a pair of cameras, which are part of a vision system. The two magazines will each in turn rotate to allow the vision system to establish the position of all the parts. For this application, the TAC will fill individual product orders, placing 4 products into each box, with each order calling out a particular selection. The vision system allows the carriage and magazine to act together to retrieve the correct items. The gripper is rotated to allow the barcode readers to record every product placed in the different boxes. The gripper is also rotated to place the products in the proper orientation for the boxes. After the last product is placed, a corresponding selection of printed cardstock is placed in the box, again with the magazine and carriage working in concert to select the right literature. Finally, the wider gripper is used to pick up a lid from the left magazine, to read its barcode, and to place it over a filled box. The TAC will then have recorded for each customer order files showing which products match up with which box. Jumping ahead, all the boxes are shown as finished on the work table. The tray is then removed from the work table and taken to a fixture to strip the boxes from the tray. Another tray is then placed on the work table to fill the next 10 boxes, which restarts the process.